when I tried to kiss you.
The trip to Logan Elm High School seemed normal until the driver swerved to miss a car. The bus rolled on its side, landing in a soybean.
Today's best variety is Z99. Here's a great song from Matchbox 20. This is Downfall, Z99.
We're about to go try the fucking whip, homie. Oh! What's up, baby? Ghost riding, baby. That's what it is. Yo, what's up? What's up, baby? Come on, man. What's up? What's up, man? What's up, baby? Oh. Come on, man.
Oh, shit. Whoa. Whoa, shit, dude, he's taking your car. Fuck, dude. Shit. Whoa, shit, dude, he's taking your car.
Ya. Ana, kaç mı falan? Shadow.
News of a police chase on I-270.
We go now to Fox 2's Sean Conroy, who's live in Skyfox. And Sean, we understand this may possibly have started after a shooting. What can you tell us?
Yeah, shooting in Frontenac, Sandy. Best we can tell, he's headed now. We can definitely tell he's headed eastbound on 40 at a very fast clip. That white Suburban we're following. Several police officers in chase, basically coming near Frontenac, where this all began, near Lindbergh on eastbound 40. About 100 miles an hour, we're told right now. This white Suburban is flying on eastbound 40. This all apparently happened at Bop Road in Frontenac with a shooting. This chase went out west, off the road. Ooh, you can see as well as we can. He's been ejected from the car. A horrible crash. That is about probably near Clayton Road.
Sean, just unbelievable video. This is amazing. What can you tell us as far as the police officers? How many are on the highway? How many are chasing this vehicle?
We didn't see too many, Sandy. I look back, probably 4 or 5 right now, but many more obviously were involved as this passed throughout West County. This was headed all the way up to Page and 270 before coming back east, as you see here, and ending just east of Lindbergh.
Any idea why this individual was fleeing in the first place?
I'm sorry, Elliot, one more time?
Any idea why this person was speeding in the first place, was fleeing in the first place?
We understand a shooting in Frontenac, I believe along Boff Road from what we understand now. As you can see, the first police officers arriving. I need to correct something. They were not that close to this suspect. They had backed off, but he was still charging at quite a clip, as we said. We estimated about 100 miles an hour at one point, but the police officers have arrived. That person, as you saw, is ejected, is laying there on the side.
And Sean, these kinds of situations are always so dangerous.
Co on zrobił w ogóle, kurwa?
Ja tu sam.
Sobota? A, oglądałem w telewizji animację Bitew Wikingów. I grałem